Originally, my daughter was having some hoarseness, and her pediatrician back home was concerned that she had reflux and treated her for it. Pediatrician had noticed that she wasn't making normal baby sounds, and she was hoarse. So she treated her for a couple weeks with the reflux medication, and there was no change. So I looked up online here at Mass Eye and Ear and found Dr. Hartnick's phone number, and they made me an appointment within a week. When we saw Dr. Hartnick, he did a scope in the office, and he saw that there was something there in her throat. He wasn't sure what it was, so he said that she definitely needed to come back and go down in the OR so that they could give her anesthesia, and then they could go down more thoroughly and examine what it was. He brought her down to the OR and discovered that what he thought was definitely papilloma. Recurrent growths on the vocal cords caused by the HPV virus. I knew that I had tested negative for it, and I didn't know if it was something that I had done or something she had contracted somewhere. Dr. Hartnick was very good at answering a lot of the questions and assuring me there was nothing that I did wrong and nothing that I could have done to prevent her from getting this. Every child is different. There's going to be no rhyme or reason to how often she has to come back for her removal, and her symptoms will vary and be different than other children, and that we just have to kind of go with the flow. There was other treatments other than surgical removal, injections, medications that were options, and that you just take one step at a time, and the doctor guides you through that. She's had surgery, I believe around 20 times. 4 out of those times, she's also had an Avastin injection, and after the 4th time, she hasn't had to have a surgery, and it's been 2 years. And she has a great voice, and we know that it can change at any moment, but we're grateful for every day that she hasn't had to have any surgery. And she loves, she loves to talk about Boston and coming to the doctors. She knows that she's special, but she's not, she doesn't have anything wrong with her. Everybody just makes it so great for her when she comes here that she looks forward to coming here the next time she asks to come. No matter if you're here every week or you're here once a year, it's just your home away from home, and the treatment is top-notch.